Hey Janelle, I'm replying to your email about what a seep spring is. And a seep spring is, at Mesa Verde, think of this little yoga block as being like sandstone. And so if this water can filter through sandstone, it'll just percolate right on down and go through it like it slowly was soaking through a sponge. That will keep on moving downward until it hits a shale, like this cutting board. So if this cutting board, I'm going to move my camera here so you can see these better without me needing to hold it so high. If water percolates down through the sandstone and then it gets to this layer, the shale that it can't percolate down through, it will flow out back toward you. Okay, so we've got water flowing down through the sandstone and it hits this shale layer and it flows outward. Well, you read that the Mesa Verde tips a little bit. There's a 7-degree angle to the Mesa Verde formation. So that means the water will flow out downhill, and as it's flowing out, it will slowly dissolve away the sandstone. It's flowing slowly, but it'll start dissolving the cement that's holding the sand together, and it'll start carrying the sand away, which is making those caves, or it's not really called a cave, is it? It's more like a cavern or an alcove. So as the water's flowing, it's dissolving the sandstone away, and it's flowing downhill on the shale and dissolving that away. So you get those nice arches that Native Americans use for their place to live. Hope that helps, kiddo.